Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well, so welcome or welcome back. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. And welcome to another episode of Microsoft Word series, and with another powerful tool that we have here in Microsoft Word 16. This tool is called Dictate, and this tool converts your speech to text. So just click this tool here. Hello, how are you doing? I am using the Dictate tool. This tool is available in Microsoft Word 16. And after you are done talking, you should click the button here to make sure that Microsoft Word will stop writing what you are saying. If I don't click this, Microsoft Word will write everything I am saying right now. So here we have the settings, and here make sure to select the language you want to use, and make sure to test your microphone. Here you select your microphone and you test your microphone. Here you see I have here some points, which means that my microphone is good. If you have nothing here, everything is gray, that means that your microphone is not good and you need to change it or fix it. Here we have the enable auto-punctuation and we have the filter sensitive phrases. Okay, save. Let's do it one more time after enabling the punctuation. Hello David, how are you? So after enabling the punctuation, you see that Microsoft Word added some stuff here, a comma, a full stop, and a question mark. So in general, Microsoft Word added punctuation. Okay, now let's change language here. For example, let's use Chinese and see. Even though my pronunciation in Chinese is not so good, but let's just see. And everything is good, so say, 大家好. 你们好吗? It is working really good, you know? It writes everything really good, you see here. For people who know Chinese, you may know this. Try it for another language here. Let's choose French. Okay, save. Salut mes amis. Comment allez-vous? Okay, that's cool. 안녕. 잘 지냈어? So you see, I used it with 4 languages and I don't want to make the video long, so it works for almost a lot of languages here. You just choose your language and everything will be good. So that's it for the Dictate tool. It's so powerful. I like it. I know that you will like it. If you like it, like my video, subscribe to my channel. And if you have any other questions or suggestions, if you face any other problems, please let me know in the comments section down below, and stay safe.